Dear kids, welcome to our online classes. Hope you all are well. So here your Priyanka Miss is again with you to conduct a class on English. For today's class, I have chosen again verb because on the earlier class we had discussed about the definition and types of verbs and about the use of verbs. Okay. So now it's time to do some of the exercises from verb. That's why I have divided the classes into different parts uh, so that we can go through the verb perfectly and of course with the flow. And here the second part is for you. In this part we will have some of the exercises concerning verb. So as it is about a practical class or about exercise, so I would like to ask you to have your exercise book like khata, eraser and pencil so that you can follow Mrs. Task and you can perform the task right here with me in this class. Okay. So as you can see on the board, the instruction is here for you. The instruction is circle the verb. Circle the verb in each group. What is it? Here, some of the groups of verb or words will be given and you have to find the correct verb out. Okay? In different lines, you will have different group of words. Okay? It can be noun, there can be noun, pronoun, adjective, adverb, verb. Among all of these words, you need to find the correct verb. And after finding the correct verb out, you need to make a circle over the verb. Okay? You need to make a round shape over the correct verb. Okay, babies? So let's get started. Let us see which of the group of words are given below. Okay? So here on the board you can see in total there are 5 sentences and actually these are not the sentences. These are categorized in the group. There are in total in 5 categories. There are some of the group of sentences and from each group you have to find the correct verb out. Not only to find out, you need to, after finding the correct verb out, you need to make a circle or you need to make a round shape over the correct verb. Okay, so let us see which is the first group. The very first group of the words is dog, cat, eat, bone. I repeat, dog, cat, eat, bone. Dog is a name of an animal, so I can't circle the word dog. Why? Because it is a name. It is a noun. If it is a name of anything, then it's a noun. As we know, dog is the name of an animal, so I can circle the noun. As per the instruction, I can only circle the verb. Okay. Now coming to the next word, it is cat. C-A-T. Cat. It is cat. Again, it's a name of an animal. Okay. So should I circle it? No. Because my instruction doesn't allow me to do so. Okay. So I am leaving it behind. Now coming to the next one, eat. E-A-T. Eat. Do you think it's a verb? Eating, it's a verb? Yes. Because it means to inhalate anything, to take anything or take any food. Okay, so eating means taking any food. So if you are taking anything or if you are taking any food, that means you are making an effort. That means you are doing it yourself. That means you are doing it physically. Okay, so here whatever you are doing it physically or whatever action it is about, then logically it will be a verb. So to say it is a verb here. So if it is a verb, should I circle it? Yes, because my instruction says circle the verb in each group. So in this group, I have chosen it as a verb, or I have found eat as verb. So I need to circle the verb eat. Now coming to the next one, bone. B-O-N-E, bone. Do you think bone is a verb? No, it's a name. Okay. So it is a verb. So I need to circle here eat. Okay. E-A-T, eat. So please circle the word E-A-T, eat. So we are done with our very first group of words. Now second, the number 2 is Max talk the babysitter. Max talk the babysitter. Here the first one is Max. Max can be a name of a boy. So if it is a name of a boy, undoubtedly it's a noun. Okay, so I can circle it. Coming to the next one, talk. T-A-L-K, talk. Talk means to speak or say something or tell. So if you are talking, that means you are using your voice, you are using your tone, you are using your tongue. So if you are using any of your limbs, or if you are moving, if you are doing it yourself, or if you are giving it an effort, that means you are doing activity, or you are in the main action or bold action. So if it is about bold action, that means it is a verb. So I can say talk is a verb. But let us say any other verbs, if there are any other verbs in this group. The, do you think the is a verb? No, because the is a definite article. Okay, so I can't mention the as a verb, so I can't circle it. Now coming to the next one, it's B-A-B-Y, baby. S-I-T-T-E-R, babysitter. Do you know what babysitter is? The babies are basically the babysitter is used to carry the babies. Okay, so it is also a name of a thing, a very useful thing. So if it is a name, so I can't consider it as a verb. So leave it, leave babysitter, leave the, or leave Max, because none of these are verbs except talk, because talk means to speak. And if you are speaking, that means you are doing it yourself. That means you are making an effort. You are giving it a motion. That's why talk is a verb. As we found talk as verb, so what should we do now? We should make a circle over talk. Okay? Now number 3, open door to classroom. Open door to classroom. Let us start from the very last one, classroom. Do you think classroom is a verb? No, it's a name, because we all know it's a name of a kind of room where we all sit to learn. In the classroom, we all conduct our classes. Okay? So, classroom is not a verb. Rather, it's a noun. To, again, it's not a verb. Why? Because to is a preposition. As we can see, a preposition here, to is placed just before the noun classroom. So to is a preposition, and according to my instruction, I can't make a circle over to. Okay. Now coming to the next one, door, D-O-O-R, door. Do you think door is a verb? Again, it's not a verb. It's a noun. It's a wooden thing. It's a name of a wooden thing. Okay. Open, O-P-E-N. Open, do you think open is a verb? Do you think? Open means to unlock something. Okay. So if you are being asked to unlock something, not to shut something, that means someone is commanding you. That means someone is asking you to do a favor. Okay. So if you are doing anything, if you are moving, or if you are making it yourself, that means surely you are working. You are in a specific action. So if you are in a specific action, if it is about a kind of activity, that means it is a verb. It is undoubtedly a verb. Okay. So here our desired verb is what? The desired verb is open. Okay. So to say, we need to make a circle over open. I hope you are also making it right now. Please have your pencil and exercise book with you and start writing with me. Open door to classroom. In this group of words, here the desired verb or the correct verb is open. So we are going to circle the word open. Now number 4. In this line, we are having some of the words like nice, child, work, toward. Nice, child, work, toward. Nice, do you think nice is a verb? No, nice is an adjective. It mentions the quality of anything. So if it is about quantity and quality, of course it is an adjective. It can't be a verb. Okay. Now coming to the next one, child. Child, no, child is a noun because by the word child we understand it's a baby. Okay. So walk, W-A-L-K, walk. Do you think walk is a verb? Walking, that means you are moving. Okay, to move. So if it is about moving, if it is about doing anything that you are performing, that is surely a verb. So to say work is a verb here. So let us see the next one, toward. Do you think toward is a verb? No, toward, it is also basically a kind of preposition, so I can't consider it as a verb. Rather we should go with the word work as verb. So if we found work as our desired verb, so what should we do now? We should make a circle over the word work. Okay. So our next group is number 5. He, eyes closed later. He, eyes closed later. Here he, do you think he is a noun or pronoun or verb? He is a pronoun and he is used to mention any boy or a man or a person of male. Now eyes, no, eyes, we can consider eyes as noun. Closed, yes, closed is the past form of close. Close means to shut anything, to lock anything. So if you are being asked to do anything, to lock anything, to shut anything, that means you are being asked to do any activity, or you are being asked to perform any duty or any work. So if it is about work, if it is about doing something, that means it's a verb. So here our desired verb is closed. But what about later? Later, basically later is an adverb. Okay. It is about time. Later means it is about time. Okay, it is about few minutes later, or that means the time that is that yet to come. Okay, so I can't consider later as a as our verb. So rather we should consider closed as verb. So we are going to make a circle over the word closed as our verb. So we have done all of the group of words here. See, dog, cat, eat, bone. The eat is the correct verb, so I made a circle on it. Makes talk the babysitter. Here talk is the verb. Open door to classroom. I made a circle over open. Nice child, walk toward. Walk is the desired verb. That's why I made a circle on it. He, eyes closed later. Here closed is the correct one. So we made circle, or we circle the word closed, okay, as verb. So that's all for today. Hope you enjoyed the class. It's a very easy class for you, so don't be panicked about exam. Hope we will meet on the next class with the part 3 from the same topic, verb. Okay, till then stay well and take care.